Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Nothing phone for a Pro slow performance. So first open the settings, then right here find About Phone Nothing OS and click build number around 7 times to enable developer options. Then in System, then Developer Options, I'll lower the brightness for you. Right here we have a couple of options. So we can here tap and find anything about animation. We have the animation duration scale right here, but we need the reducing animation option. I don't think there. Oh, here we have the remove animations. Yes, we can enable the removed animations. Then go into the apps and select an app that uses the most battery and requires the most CPU. Then storage and clear cache. Right here we can go into the display, enable the dark theme, display refresh rate, you can lower it. Then on the home screen, click and hold then widgets, and right here are all the widgets. And when you have any widgets on the home screen, you can just click and remove them so your phone could speed up. And last thing is to restart your phone. You do that by clicking the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.